Ellipse construction method 1. Let's start with the arcs of circles method to construct the ellipse, having a major axis of 150 mm and a minor axis of 90 mm. First, draw the major axis, AB, and the minor axis, CD, of the specified lengths. Ensure that they bisect each other at right angles at the center point, O. Next, with C as the center and the radius equal to half the length of the major axis, cut arcs on the major axis to locate the two foci, labeled F1 and F2. Then, mark several points at convenient, not necessarily equal, intervals along OF1, for example, 3 points, and label them accordingly, as shown. Now, using F1 and F2 as centers, and with radii equal to distances, A1, A2, A3, draw arcs to provide guides for plotting the final curve. Similarly, using radii, B1, B2, B3, draw arcs from F1 and F2 to intersect the previous arcs. Finally, connect all the intersection points with a smooth, continuous curve to complete the required ellipse. This construction method is both practical and reliable, especially when working without advanced drawing instruments. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more.